Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture you are going to learn top 5 passive income secrets. Yes, especially I'm doing for freelancers and who are seeking second income to generate themselves to protect their wealth. If you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support us. I'm initiating here. Just with the help of Chatgpt, I'm trying to get in these suggestions. Suggest top 5 passive income secrets. Let's see. Chatgpt is an open AI tool and most trained data which is going to be accurately just sharing for us. So AI tool model, I don't have a personal preferences, but I can provide you with a general awareness which is trying to giving a suggestions. These all are suggestions. If you are interested to follow, you just try to follow as a trial error. Alright, and these all are for an education purpose. We are trying to sharing to enabling your ideology. Investing dividend paying stocks. The dividend stock market funds generating regular passive income from the dividends which you are invested. These types of investments you can earn percentage of the company's profile which is paid out of you the dividend. And rental properties. Owning rental properties can generate a steady stream of passive income. You can purchase a rental property and hire a property management company to handle day-to-day operations such as ebooks, courses, and for any of products you can sell to online. It may be your own website or through Amazon or Flipkart or any other e-commerce portals. And create digital products. So digital products, as I told you, and peer-to-peer leading peer-to-peer lending involves lending money individuals business through online platforms and interest on loans. In that way also you can handle to providing loan services or rental services, these things. Affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products, sell them and earn a commission on independent sales or bulk sales. You can promote products through social media, blogs, and your website, YouTube channel videos, Facebook advertisements, or posting into the groups and trying to make them to buy an item to earn a commission on sale. So these all are top 5 secrets which is Chatgpt is also suggesting for us. If you are interested and if you feel good, please do support, subscribe and support us, and similarly follow these to make a second revenue for your livelihood. Thank you.